Hello everyone, welcome back to Basic Integrals, example 3. So for this integral we have the same denominator, so we can split this integral up. So we can rewrite it as integral of 3x all over square root of 4 minus x squared dx plus the integral of 1 over square root of 4 minus x squared dx. So for the left integral, we can move this 3 to the front, and now we're left with x over square root of 4 minus x squared. We can do a u sub here. If we let u equals 4 minus x squared, du is going to be equals to negative 2x dx. We basically bring this 2 to the front, and then minus 1. So now we divide by negative 2, both sides. We're left with 1/2 du is equal to x dx. And we already have x dx on top, which is right here. So we can start replacing the u and the du. So we have 3. We have 3 times negative 1/2, which is basically negative 3/2. Integral of x dx, which is du, all over square root of 4 minus x squared, which is u. We can rewrite this as negative 3 over 2 integral of u to the negative 1/2 du. Basically brought this up here. So integral of u to the negative 1/2, it's going to be negative 3/2 u to the 1/2 over 1/2. And we can just bring this 1/2 to the top by flipping it. So it's basically times 2. We're basically multiplying times 2. So these two cancel, and now we have negative 3 square root of u plus, and we can do this right side now. So if you see this right side, if you recognize this, this is a arc sign. So we can let's let a square equals 4 and u square equals x squared. So our a will be 2 and our u would be x. So now we can just plug in everything in. So the integral of this is arc sine, so we got arc sine of u to the u over a, which is u is x and a is 2, plus c. And then this u over here, we can replace it with this u. So we got 4 minus x squared. So that will be your answer right there. And don't forget, c is a real number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in example number 4.